What's going on, guys? So today I have my car trailer back in the shop. It's a rainy day outside, so I figured might as well pick away at mounting the winch back on this thing. So this is what I'm thinking for a mock-up right now. There's 3 holes in the backside. I'll probably put 2 bolts in to this piece of angle iron, and then I'm going to weld on a plate that comes out and butts right up against the angle iron, and then bolt it through that plate and through the deck. And it should be pretty secure. Then I gotta bolt this thing back on, put the hook back on, and then probably at a later time figure out the wiring. I disconnected it for now just because I'm gonna be welding and it was in my way. So yeah, first things first, I'm gonna cut out a plate so that way I can weld it onto that piece of angle iron and have something to mount the winch to. So I'm gonna get right to that right now, and should be fun. So we got another exciting video of Metal Fab coming at you, so stay tuned for more. Alright, so I've gotten quite a bit done on this winch here. I just got it all painted up, as you can see, and put another coat on this rail because I ran out painting it the first time, so I want to give it another solid coat on that. So I got 4 bolts in, 2 on the front and then 2 behind. The ones behind are pretty tricky, but I got them in. So now what I'm going to do is figure out how to get this wiring run. I have a plan. I got some rubber grommets at the store, and this one's going to work for me. So I'm going to drill a hole in the bottom of the toolbox, somewhere on this side, and then I can put the winch controller and the battery terminal connectors, leave them in the box, and then just run those 2 wires out to these 2 posts. And I have some weatherproof covers right there for them, so that will be good. And then right here I have a winch cover that I bought online, so that way this thing's protected from the rain. Then I gotta bolt up this and put the hook back on, and then I'm probably gonna give this thing power, even though I don't have a battery yet, so I can reel the cable back in. But yeah, that's where we're at. Gotten pretty far, so I'm gonna keep going, drill this hole, get it wired up, and then go from there. See how it turns out. I'm very happy with the progress so far, so stay tuned a little bit more to wrap up this addition to the trailer, and we'll be rocking and rolling soon. So we got our hole drilled. I'm just going to clean up these burrows right here and then work the grommet into it. And yeah, should be good to go. Well, besides a battery, we are finished. I just got done mounting the guide plate, and I just threw a quick coat of paint on it because it was all rusty and gross. I'd rather it look like a hack job of spray paint than rust away and just continue to deteriorate. But I got both of these connections hooked up. They run under here into my grommet, and then they run right over here. These go to the battery. Got some terminals right here, and then this is the controller as you saw me using. I just hooked it up to a booster pack to make sure that everything worked, and as you saw, it wound it right back up like it sounded fine. So just need to get a battery and she's good to go. I'm gonna throw this winch cover on right here once the paint dries a little more, clean up my tools, and head out of here. So that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I know I had a lot of fun doing it. This kind of work is always entertaining for me and proves a bit of a challenge, but I'd say we figured it out. So yeah, really happy with the result. This is exactly what I had envisioned in my mind, and I made it happen. So hope you guys come back for more. Check out my channel for other videos like this and a bunch of other car related content. And yeah, if you liked what you saw, give the video a like, And feel free to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.